How to make money on Hala app. In this video, I'll be explaining how to make money on the Hala app. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Hala is a live chat and social app that allows users to earn money through interactions, gifts, and in-app features. While it may look simple on the surface, there are a few key ways users can actually earn on the platform. The main way to make money on Hala is through live chatting and hosting sessions. Users can host live chats where others join and send virtual gifts. These gifts are purchased with in-app currency, which can later be converted into real money once certain requirements are met. Another earning method is one-on-one chats. Some users charge per minute or per session for private conversations. The more engaging and consistent you are, the more likely users are to return and spend credits on private chats. Hala also rewards users through virtual gifts and bonuses. Viewers can send gifts during live sessions, and these gifts are converted into earnings for the host. Higher value gifts generally translate into higher payouts, especially for hosts with strong engagement. Consistency plays a big role in earnings. Users who go live regularly, interact with viewers, and build a loyal following tend to earn more over time. Scheduling streams and maintaining a recognizable style can help increase visibility within the app. Hala may also offer referral bonuses or event-based rewards, where users earn extra income by inviting others or participating in in-app challenges. These opportunities can change over time, so it's important to check the app's rewards section regularly. To cash out earnings, users typically need to reach a cash minimum withdrawal threshold. Payments may be processed through supported payout methods depending on your region. It's important to review payout rules to avoid delays or confusion. There are some limitations to keep in mind. Earnings depend heavily on user engagement, and not everyone will make consistent income. Some users also report delays in payouts or strict verification requirements before withdrawing funds. Making money on Hala is possible, but it requires effort, consistency, and strong interaction skills. Users who treat it as a long-term side activity rather than quick cash tend to have better results.